We do have a warning this morning from the U.S. military about the new Joker movie.
Some fearing the film may become an inspiration for real-world criminals.
Is it just me, or is it getting crazier out there? When you bring me out, can you introduce me as Joker?
To start off this makeup look, I'm going in with the First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. I really love this because it's like a primer and moisturizer in one, so you're basically doing two steps in one, and it does really give your skin a very smoothing effect. Then I'm going in with the Pure Cosmetics 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie Foundation and Concealer in the shade LG4, and I'm just blending that out with my Beauty Blender. I love this foundation because it's infused with skincare and it's very full coverage. Then I just wanted to show you guys my brows. I was already doing them off camera, and then I thought I should show you guys. I'm filling them in with the red eyeshadow from the James Charles palette. It's called You're Kidding Me. And then now I'm carving them out with my foundation because it's a foundation and concealer, and basically I'll get the best like skin tone match. And this is just an e.l.f. brush, but it's so old I don't even think they make it anymore, but it's the only brush I trust to carve out my brows. But anyways, I'm just basically filling in my brows with red eyeshadow and then carving them out. And then now I'm kind of setting them with the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Lady Balls. And back to my face now. I'm taking the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer and also my foundation. And I'm applying my foundation first, and then I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer, and then I'll blend it out using my Beauty Blender. The reason I am mixing these concealers are because the e.l.f. one is very, very drying on my skin, especially right now because we're getting into the colder months and my skin is very dry. So I just wanted to mix the e.l.f. with something, that way it didn't dry out my skin so much, and it seems to work really good for me. So I'm just blending it out using my Beauty Blender. And to set my face, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 10, and I'm just using my Beauty Blender to press that powder into my skin. That way we can set our face to make sure that this Joker makeup look lasts all day or all night, all Halloween, because I bet the Joker doesn't want his makeup rubbing off, right? I don't know. Now for the eyes, I'm going in with the James Charles palette, and I'm taking the shade Cola and Brother on a Morphe E18 brush. This actually isn't an E18 brush, but it's exactly like the Morphe E18 brush. It is a Morphe brush, it just doesn't have a name or a number, so anyways. And I'm just packing those two blue shades onto my lid, and now I'm taking a Morphe M513 brush to kind of blend it out, and I am picking up those shadows also and adding a little bit of color in my crease. If you do get fallout, don't stress about it because we're doing the triangle shape under our eyes, so it's not a big deal. But anyways, I'm just working the eyeshadow in windshield wiper motion and packing it on my lid until I get the intensity that I want for this eyeshadow look. And now I'm just taking this e.l.f. concealer brush, and I'm obviously wiping away the fallout a little bit, but I'm using this brush to blend out the edge of my eyeshadow to get just a blended, blurred out, soft effect and not a harsh line. Taking my Morphe M513 brush again, I'm packing on a little bit of that eyeshadow and blending it in the crease. And it's okay for this look to look sloppy. I actually think it looks kind of better a little bit sloppy. I mean, you want it to be blended and colorful, but it's okay for it to look a little sloppy. You know what I mean? Now I'm taking the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Chisel palette, and I'm taking the shade Angel on my Benefit Hula brush. This is the only brush I like to contour / bronze my face. I use this on my cheekbones and my jawline. Yes, I know I look crazy with only one eyebrow complete. I don't even know what happened. I didn't realize that I hadn't finished the other eyebrow, but I'll get to that in a minute. To bronze up my forehead, I'm taking my Morphe JH02 brush and that same bronzer, and I'm just bronzing up my forehead a little bit. Now I'm taking my Morphe M437 brush and I'm just running that along my face to make sure everything is blended out. You want everything to be soft and blended, no harsh lines, and you don't want to be too bronze because the Joker is pretty light. You know, he doesn't really have like a contour going on, so I just want to do a little bit of contour. And then I'm going in with the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick on my Benefit brow brush, and I'm just lightly drawing in hair-like strokes at the front of my brow. I'm finally finishing my brow. And then back to bronzer, I'm taking my Morphe M506 brush and I am going to contour my nose. I just draw 2 lines down the center of my nose, and then I don't know what happened next. I lost the footage of me blending my nose contour out and baking, but I like to blend my nose contour out with my Morphe, not my Morphe, my e.l.f. concealer brush. If you look at any of my other videos, you can see my full nose contour, and I went ahead and baked with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose finishing powder, and now I'm just wiping away that bake on with a Morphe M437 brush, and I'm just making sure that my contour is nice and blended. Now I'm taking the shade Cola and Brother again on a Morphe E18 brush, and I'm just starting to pack that eyeshadow on in a triangle-like motion on the underneath of my eye. And it's just very easy, just kind of pack it on and just kind of blend out the edges. Very, very simple. And I did add lashes also. Like I said, I don't know what happened to some of the clips there. I think that my camera had died and I didn't notice. Now I'm going in with the Lancome Ombre Hypnose Cream Eyeshadow Stick in the shade 31. And I'm just applying that to my waterline as if it's eyeliner. This works perfect for eyeliner. And if you have a blue eyeliner, just use that. Now I'm going back in with the James Charles palette, and I'm taking the shade You're Kidding Me on a Morphe E18 brush, and I'm just kind of packing that onto my nose in a circle. Just pack it on very lightly. It doesn't have to be super intense in color. It's very, very simple. You guys, this makeup look, or this Halloween makeup look, is very, very simple to achieve. It can be messy. It's super fun. Now I'm taking the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Lady Balls with a Morphe E18 brush, and I'm just packing it in a circle-like motion. But you want to make sure that the eyeshadow underneath is still peeking through. Moving on to the mouth, I'm going in with the Morphe lip liner in the shade Coffee and Kissy. It doesn't really matter what lip liner you have. I actually don't have a red lip liner, so I just used a brown one. With bold colors, sometimes it doesn't really matter exactly what lip liner you have. But anyways, I'm just aligning my lips like normal. Now I'm taking that Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Lady Balls again, and I'm filling in my lips like normal, just like normal lipstick. I'm not gonna drag the lipstick out yet. Now, for the Joker's extended smile, I'm taking the shade Luricating from the James Charles palette on a Morphe JH35 brush, and I'm just starting to extend my smile with that eyeshadow, just kind of dragging it out, making it sloppy. It's okay. I'm just packing more eyeshadow on, just dragging it out. Then I'm taking this is actually a paintbrush, but it's like a detailed precision liner brush, and I'm just extending the edge of my lipstick on the other side to give it a little bit of a little point, a little smile. And now I'm taking the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Lady Balls on a Morphe E18 brush, and I'm just kind of I'm doing this very sloppy, and I'm just kind of dragging my lipstick out a little bit from my lips to make it look like I just smeared my lipstick on, and it's okay for it to look super sloppy. And to set the face, I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Resting Boss Face Waterproof Setting Spray, because you don't want your makeup going anywhere. This stuff will make your makeup last all night long, and it smells super amazing. It's a very strong smell, but very good smell. This is the final Joker Halloween makeup look. I really love the way that this makeup look turned out, and I do want to mention that I did recreate this makeup look. I was super inspired by this girl named Pretty Lipstick on Instagram. I will have her Instagram and everything linked down below. She posted a picture of her makeup similar to this, like the Joker, and I absolutely loved it, and I knew right away I want to recreate it. I already knew I wanted to do a Joker look because this year I already had the green hairspray for my hair and everything, but I was going to do a different Joker look, and then I saw this one and I was just sold. So make sure you guys check out her picture and like it and everything. Like I said, all of her stuff will be linked down below in the description box. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. This is such an easy look to create. If you do decide to create it, it will be super simple and super easy. You can't mess it up, because if it looks sloppy, that's okay. I really like this makeup look. It's very minimal product. You use the same products all over your face. And anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys have a super fun Halloween. If you do decide to recreate this makeup look, please tag me or DM me in your pictures. And also make sure to tag or DM Pretty Lipstick on Instagram. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a happy Halloween.